All right, I'm the flatratemaster, and today we're talking about the Redline EASYCONNECT kit. Not a sponsor. If you do Evap testing, you know that a lot of manufacturers have gone away from the green cap Evap test port, and tapping into Evap systems can be a pain sometimes. So we're going to talk about this kit and how much more better it is. All right, so made by Redline, not a sponsor. I bought this. Part number is 960190. Quick and easy Evap diagnostic connection. Works with any smoke machine. Fits all vehicles. Includes storage case. All right, what it is it comes in this little case, all fancy, but it is a series of Evap adapters to tee into purge lines or other adapters. It comes with various tees, just straight connectors, even big connectors, and they're designed to tee into an Evap system so you can test the entire system. Really, really handy kit. It lies, though, it does not always tee into every adapter on the planet because it didn't work on a Jeep I did the other day. But it was going to work on a lot of vehicles. And if you don't have a kit to make those connectors, or you don't want to spend the money for those connectors, this is a great option. Now keep in mind, it might be still on back order as this video goes live. I bought this off the Matco truck. AES Wave is already out of stock. So definitely something, if you do Evap testing, to look into, because, well, adapting to Evap systems, well, kind of sucks sometimes. So definitely a great value if you do Evap testing. I did another video talking about some of those kind of tricks where I use fuel lines and stuff like that. I will link it up here in the corner if you want to watch it. But those are some of my tricks for working on Evaps and testing those systems. So as always, thanks for watching. I am the Flat Rate Master.